Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. You guys, I finally got to the post office. I got my ice cream beauty box for the month of March. Y'all, it came in on Monday and it is Friday when I'm filming this. I just could not get to my post office until today. So yeah, I'm a little late to getting this, but there's the box, $25 a month. You get at least 5 full-size products, which is fantastic. Here's what it looks like. This is my little cheat sheet. Tells me everything about the products. Always nicely wrapped. Let's just get into it. The theme of the month is make your own luck, because of course Luck of the Irish is actually this weekend Sunday. So you always get a full-size palette in here. It could be a face palette, like contouring palette, blush palette, could be an eyeshadow palette, but there's always some sort of palette in here. So let's get into it, guys. Usually it's makeup. Sometimes you get a little skincare. And here we go, highlighter drops. This is Beau Babe Beauty Liquid Highlight Drops, Gold Opal. It is, very reflective. 20 milliliters. Sorry guys, you're gonna get reflection off this sucker. It's very blinding, and I got the ring light behind there. Okay, does it say anything on it? Apply drops to the high points of the face to add dimension. That's cool. All right, well, so it's got little stickers on it to keep the box secure, but I'm going to pop those out. I'm not going to open the product per se. I have a lot of highlighters. I have like a lot of highlighters, you guys, and I honestly don't use them a lot. And so I don't want to be wasteful and open something I'm not going to use. You've heard me talking about that a lot lately. Trying not to be super wasteful. This is super cute though. I mean, y'all, super cute. Like, adorable. Love it. There's a little squeezy, so it's a squeezy. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that shimmer, but you know, very, very, very pearlescent. Very pretty. So that is really cool. I like that a lot. Gold Opal. I can't tell if it's, I think it's 0.71 ounces. I don't know. It's 20 milliliters. It's cute. It's super cute. If I didn't have like so many highlighters that I do not use, I'd probably consider keeping that. So that I think is a great thing. Let's see how much they say it is. Okay, Gold Opal Iridescent Highlighter by Beau Babe Beauty. Ooh, $35 is the MSRP on that. That's already more than the cost of the box. This is a cream highlighter with a dropper, but the formula is so thick, we highly recommend using a brush instead of the dropper as it makes it easier to pick up. The color is absolutely stunning. It is beautiful, but light shift from white to gold. You can build it to make it more intense or blend it out for a subtle golden glow. Oh, that's pretty. I bet it would be beautiful as like an eyeshadow topper too. $35 for that, so that's awesome. I see something that looks like maybe a blush or bronzer and blush. It is Ofra, very nicely bubble wrapped, you guys. That's awesome. That's the other thing I appreciate, you guys. This box does a really nice job trying to protect the items in the box. Ipsy, on their BoxyCharm box, I cannot say that they do a great job on that. Things come broken a lot. So this is nicely bubble wrapped. It is from Ofra. It looks like a blush bronzer duo. Let's see what they have to say. Let's see. Let's be a little reflective, but there's how it goes. So this is $29. It is called Unit Blushzer, B-L-U-S-H-Z-E-R, Blushzer, blush and bronzer. A pinky peach rose blush and a medium warm bronzer in one. Every cheek is a better half with this liquid to baked formula. Glides on and melts into the skin. With a split pan bronzer and blush, this Blushzer adds dimension and warmth in one swipe. From a natural healthy flush to an intense pop of color, build your cheek color all day, wear with a flawless and smooth finish. That's really pretty. I have a zillion brushes and I don't bronze. I contour, I don't bronze. So that's really nice. Again, MSRP on that, $29. Again, already more than the cost of the box. So this is why these makeup subscription boxes are fantastic, guys. Okay. I see something from ZC Cosmetics. Living Colorfully from ZC. Is there a color on it? Doesn't really say. A lot of this is written in Chinese. I'm wondering what this is. Oh, it's very reflective. Multi-Effects Makeup Primer. Ooh. Okay, a primer from ZC. Let's see what we have here. Redness correcting primer, $22. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh. Okay, so do not worry about the green shade. Yeah, green cancels out red. The green color helps counteract any redness on the skin. Once you blend the primer out, the green color fades away. Apply foundation on top. $22. That is awesome. I actually will probably keep this. So we're going to pop into it and see how green this is. Now, y'all know different colors do different correcting. So depends on what you need to be corrected for. If you've got really dark under eyes, you may need a different color. Okay. So, let's see if we can get that out. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's pretty. Very pretty. I still have like pieces of... It's very sticky. Okay, so I want to see what this looks like. As I would expect, it's like a light minty green. That's how I would expect. So I'm not really red on my hands, but that is what it's going to look like. We're going to see how this will blend down. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. So before I do too much blending, I just want to show you guys. That's really nice. It blends into a really light green, which is going to, like they said, color correct for the red. So it does start to fade out pretty quickly. You would let that settle in, give it a second, and then go over it with a, your foundation. So that's really nice. It's quite subtle. If you guys can see it, I'm sure you can see a little bit of that light green, but it's not like green. So that's awesome. Occasional redness. All right, let's see what this one is. Do we go on the, let's see how much that was. $22 for that ZC. Now this is Stinaface Velvet Dream Stick, 1.5 grams. There's shade. The shade is Bliss. So let's see what this is. The Bliss Velvet Dream Stick by Stinaface, $12. Densely pigmented lipstick formula that not only gives unbeatable color payoff that lasts, also leaves your lips comfortable and hydrated. Okay. Bliss is the shade. Curious to see what this looks like. Feels like a bullet lippy, but... Oh, cute! So, kind of a thin little tube. Oh, it's darker than I would have thought. So that's really pretty. But, not a color I would probably choose to wear. Not going to swatch it because I don't think I'll keep that. It'll either go to a friend or in y'all's giveaway pile. So that's nice. So now we get to the last item, which is going to be the palette. And what are they saying about it? This is an EYESCREAM Beauty collaboration. That's cool. Very nicely bubble wrapped. Let's see here. Here it is, End of the Rainbow, Ladybug Glow and EYESCREAM Beauty. They say $30 is the MSRP on this. We're so honored to have Ladybug Glow Cosmetics in our box for the first time ever. This is a collaboration palette and a great introduction to their amazing formula. Palette contains 2 duochromes, 1 multichrome, and 6 mattes. Duochromes are stunning, shimmery, shifty, and everything you could ever ask for from a duochrome. The mattes are also pigmented and easy to work with. Ooh. So it's a sleeve that slides off. Sounds lovely. There is a mirror. There is a shade saver, I believe. Yep. Let's get that shade saver off. Cover up that mirror. Ooh, that's pretty. There is a green in here, which you would assume. Wow. Really shifty on the... So the center, it's 9 pans. The center are the glittery and the dual and multi-chromes. That's really pretty. They look very shifty and pretty. I don't know if you can see the shifting. That is really pretty. Really, really, really pretty. Oh, and then I gotta find that back. So, nice. I'd swatch it, but I don't think I'll be keeping this one. Honestly, y'all, I wear a lot of Cleona. And it's pretty much ruined me for most of my makeup palettes. Because I'm just obsessed with the multi-chromes and the shifting. So, yeah. I see the Leaping Bunny on the back. Cruelty-free. Yeah. Doesn't say where it's made. Hopefully here in the U.S. I have no idea. So, again, End of the Rainbow. Ladybug Glow and EYESCREAM Beauty. $30 on that. So, even this. Again, more than the cost of the box. So, $30 for this, which I'm going to go ahead and I love that they take care and they put things in bubble wrap. And then they put it in with these little packing peanuts to actually make sure your stuff's safe. Okay, so $30. We've got this beautiful highlight drops. I feel like I've seen these before, but these are $35, so $65 MSRP here. We've got the Ofra, which I'm going to pack in that puppy back up so it's nice and safe. The Ofra is $29. The pretty lipstick, which is $12. And then the ice cream, or ZC, I'm sorry, the ZC, which was, I believe, $22. Yes, $22. Really good value on this box. Again, we're at the end of the box. Woo! Let me know. What do you guys think? You've probably seen this from other influencers, other people on videos, but sorry I took so long to open it, you guys. It's just been a crazy week. My brother and sister-in-law were out of town. I was taking care of their critters this week, so I wasn't able to go at lunch to... I usually try to make a run at lunch to try to get to my P.O. box. It's a bit of a trip, but I can usually get it done. Couldn't do that because I was stopping by to check on them, and honestly, it just took all week. So let me know your thoughts on all this, guys. I thought another really great box. I like this. I really like this, and you know, it's makeup. You know, it's not, they're not necessarily offering like super high-end stuff. There's no Charlotte Tilbury in here or anything, but you're also not paying that high of a price. It's always been good, solid products. You know, every now and then there may be something in there that you just are like, this is a dud, but far and few between. Yeah, I've been getting it, I think, at least 3 years now. I really like this one a lot. I haven't gotten rid of it yet. I always threaten to get rid of other boxes. I have gotten rid of other boxes. Never threatened to get rid of this one because I really enjoy it. So let me know your thoughts. I'll let you guys know. I did also pick up my Walmart beauty boxes. I got 2 of them. They're probably the same. Don't know, won't know, but that'll be my next video. So let me know, like I said, what your thoughts are. And thanks so much for watching. I will see y'all on my next video. Bye, everybody.